The packaging is good. This is the external packaging, this is the internal packaging. Okay. So this is the Ulanzi TT51 compact tripod. So इसको मैं ऑर्डर किया था अली एक्सप्रेस पोलैंड स्टोर से. तो उसमें चाइना का स्टोर दिखा रहा था, पोलैंड दिखा रहा था. चाइना का एटलीस्ट 10-15 दिन लगता है, तो इसलिए पोलैंड स्टोर से ऑर्डर कर दिया था. सो आई होप कि क्वालिटी सही रहे, क्योंकि चाइना का स्टोर में पहले भी ऑर्डर किया था, अच्छा था. तो अभी देखते हैं पोलैंड स्टोर में. ओके. This is looking good, quality wise, quite impressive. So this is the ball head for your tripod, and I think this is same which Ulanzi does for the mobile. It's the clamp for the mobile holder, mobile holder, and if you put like this, so here it is for camera holder, and it is of rubber, it's not a plastic. So quality is quite impressive, and I got it in 25 euro, so which comes like 2,300 something in Indian rupees. And this is the tripod. I would say quality looks superb. This is the base, and these are the clips which you have to open to make it bigger and longer, like this. Okay, let's lock it. Here is a lock it. Okay, now open this one. Then let's see how big it can be. And the final leg. The ball head here. Okay. And if you're going to shoot something, here you can put the mobile. Okay. So we can put our mobile here. The look is like this. And if you want to shoot some camera or something instead of mobile, then we can do that too. First with it and locked it tightly, then I will put here. Let's do it. I want to just see the stability, how stable it is while putting a load of almost 1 kg something on it, at least. I think it's quite good, quite stable. The legs are quite stable and sturdy, and it's a metal, I guess, aluminium something. Yeah, there is another thing which I want to show. There is cold shoe here, where you can put some additional things like light or mic or something in this, and you can put it to your camera. If you are putting an external mic here, you can put it in a camera. If this is occupied already with any other lights, then you can put a mic here. Otherwise you can put the lights and everything here also. So that's the added advantage in this tripod. So yeah, that's it, today's unboxing and utilities of this good sturdy Ulanzi TT51 tripod. See you again with another unboxing video later on. Till then, bye bye.